Rated hub?
Rated hub? I'll take a look. What percent are you looking for?
I don't know. What do you usually buy at?
I'll do 80% if you want. Are you cool with PayPal? Friends and family? I have a lot of stuff I haven't put out yet. Look at this test print. It's really cool. It's like a square cut, and it has this disco hollow. Really crazy. Last sold to 9,000. He wants 7,000, but it's a little too niche for me. But that's really cool. So I'll pay you 80% of market on whatever you want to sell.
80%?
Yeah. Like this card, I'd say like 230 market. It's like whatever a real market is. You know what I mean?
Yeah. I don't know if I want to do 80 because I had someone offer the 87. That's why.
You want 85? Well, no, I won't pay you 80, it's too low.
Sorry?
I wasn't gonna pay you 80 on this. This is too low.
Okay, this one, like, I can move whichever one. I just don't want to get at least rid of half.
Okay.
But 80 might be too low for me.
You want 85?
Yeah, minimum like 80.
That one's fair, yeah. That one's fair at 200. How much is, can you show me the rest RAM? I'll start copying it too, so we can both show each other comps. What's your absolute bottom on this? On Scream Pika? 4 is your bottom?
I'll take 85.
I have to think about that one still. Umbreon VMAX, dropping. I got 39.50, correct? Oh, okay. That's the number I added. Let me think about this. So you want 33.50 basically for this. Want to flip 32.33? Yeah? PayPal okay, right? What was your name? Evan? All right, Evan came by, he wanted to sell some cards. We were picking up a bunch of slabbies. We have a Palkia, Espeon, Leafeon, Reshiram, 2 Moltres, Japanese, Solgaleo Rainbow, you don't see that one often. Charizard Breaks in Rainbow from Cosmic, Japanese Dragonite, love that one. Dragonite GX from Dragon Majesty, that's a promo. We got 1, 2, 3 Umbreon VMAX Trainer Galleries. An Eevee from Twilight, Pikachu VMAX, Dialga, another Pika VMAX, Espeon Japanese, and 2 Rainbow Charizards. We're gonna coin flip 3,200 or 3,300. All right, my friend. I have it. Are you cool with this one? I'll throw you a call. Or do you want? All right, ready? 3, 2, 1. Tails. You got it. 3,300 bucks.
Thanks so much.
Almost done with this. Okay, well I have the other ones too if you want, but that's the most expensive one, apart from Mario. I know a lot of people are asking 7,200 for theirs.
6.6 cash.
Unless you want to throw some trade.
And whatever you need on that.
I could take a couple of these if you want trade towards it.
Yeah.
Sales are 6.6 to 7.2. Cheapest listing is 8,400. Yeah, on eBay. So with tax, that's about 9,100. All right, let me see what I can do for these. I'll take these in a percent, but it's like 650 to 700.
650, 700.
Yeah. What is it, like 650?
That's like
something like that.
657.
Nice Sunset Guard. Is that the original or the V2?
It's original.
Nice. Do I get that?
Huh?
Do I get that too? Do I get the guards? If I give you the guard?
I don't know. I couldn't hit the drop for both of them.
Me neither. I was sleeping.
I had to pay 100 for that.
So 650, that's 1,300 market. What is this going for?
I think 1.
Yeah, these probably went up.
1.
Oh God. All right, 2,300, 80%, 1,840. I wanted 7.
51.
I'll coin flip you 51, 52. You keep that. You throw me these 3, and I give you this. Coin flip 5,100, 5,200 cash.
Can I call? You flip?
Yeah, of course. That's fine.
51, 52?
Yeah, with these 3, and you take that.
Okay.
Cool.
Yep.
That's heads. That's tails.
Okay.
I'll throw it over there. You call it.
Yeah.
All right. What's your name?
Blake.
Blake. All right. Blake is taking my shiny Charizard Poncho. In exchange, he is trading in a CD promo Charizard, a Mega Tokyo Poncho Charizard, and the Chinese 5th anniversary Pikachu with a Mew. Love that card. He is going to throw in cash on top. We're going to coin flip 5,100 or 5,200. I'll throw you call. Ready?
Yep.
This is tails. This is heads. 3, 2, 1.
scales.
You got it. 5,100. Appreciate it, man. You don't want anything else? You just want these two? Damn, I wanted these.
When are you coming to the UK?
I don't know. All clients up you 18 or 19. That's 925 per.
Where's
If you win, you paid 900. If you lose, you pay 950. That's fair. You're at the milkman's table.
859.51?
No. When you said you paid me 920, why would I let this go for 900?
No.
What is it with these British people?
859.
Randolph, come get your people.
859.50.
No.
That's what you were saying before.
9 or 950. No, I said 9 or 950.
So you're selling them at 9 or 925. Yeah, so middle point 9.
No,
So
you
you
literally
want
said you'd
9.
pay me 920.
You want it to be at 9 middle.
I did not want to be at 9. I said 925 middle.
So what?
Do they not teach math in elementary school in Britain?
Elementary school.
They taught her in Colombia, 925.
920. I don't have a 5.
Exactly, you're gonna buy both. So it's either 1,800 or 1,900 for both. Should I sell this for 920?
He's being at $5.
You wanna flip?
No.
9 or 940? That's your middle point, 920. Flip? 9 or 940? Damn, they're both black label. This one? What was your name again?
Max.
Max? Max Pokemon 1, right?
Yeah.
I remember. All right, Max wants a Ray V Max. We're going to coin flip 900 or 940. Ready to call? Ready? For Rayquaza. 3, 2, 1. Fuck, you got it. I'm cooked. Damn, I've lost every flip. I'm the man. Gold star Ash. Ash came by. He wanted my singles. He's taking all these singles from me. Bubble Mew, Sylveon, 2 Umbreon Altarts, a Japanese Latios, and 9 Pokemon Center 151 Snorlax sealed promo cards. In exchange, we are getting this first edition Aerodactyl super rare PSA 10. This beautiful shiny Gyarados PSA 9 non-double hollow. Lieutenant Surge's Raichu first edition and a beautiful Ladian hollow from Skyridge. Mind you, this is a $100,000 booster box this comes from. So pump that shit up, baby. And he's gonna throw me cash on top. We're gonna coin flip $40 or $50 my way. I throw, you call, sir. Ready? Pick your weapon. Which nose? This one?
I like that nose.
That nose? All right, 3, 2, 1.
Heads.
Oh, a solid ass flip. Go, dude! Falls. $50, brother. And pick up my coin. You want a coin flip for 10 bucks? For fun?
I'm tired of losing to you.
So you gave me
I
back?
don't know if I've ever beat. When was the last time we even beat you?
I don't know. Let's get it back.
Pasadena on the Bubble Mew the day before it pumped to 900.
All right, fuck the Pokemon. You put 10, I put 10. Ready? You got 10? All right, you call it. Ready? 10 bucks. 3, 2, 1.
Heads.
Sorry. You popped me. You beat me, bro. He's like about to erupt. He's like,
I
oh!
can have more money when I get his ass on
Framing
this.
this shit.
Even Roaring Skies.
Wait, did you sell this? Did you sell the Ponchos?
I did not know.
You still have them?
Yeah, I still have.
Are they with you right now?
They're not. For you? I could get them.
No shot, really?
What did you want? You said
I wanted 5.
on the shiny, and 6 on the regular on the Zard.
I wanted more than 6 because I have an offer at 6.
Yeah, I know. I was gonna buy those today.
What would you do if I took both?
Oh no, we didn't get the numbers. I looked.
You
at
take
it
PayPal?
last one.
I don't.
1303, right?
I don't have PayPal. I got banned.
Good.
How old are you?
Deal?
I'm 16.
Damn. And you got 2 Ponchos. 16's got like 12 to 11K in Ponchos. Fucking crazy. Let me see how much cash I have. So I just sold some cards. The Poncho, literally the one you have, and some other shit, I forget. Like,
Sold the one that I have.
yeah, and the Ray.
How much did you sell?
It was part trade.
Yo, if you guys don't
1,
have
2,
the
3,
fight,
4.
we partnered with rated cards.
4,
I can
5,
buy
6,
them before they release
7,
as many as we
8,
want.
9,
No
10,
problem. Less than what you guys pay.
4, 5,
Let me know.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What is that, 6?
Yeah, that's what it is.
Am I cooked?
Get them early.
These I couldn't. I couldn't get the midnight ones releasing like next month.
You probably, yeah, I saw the
I'm trying to see if I can sell you though, that's the thing. Can we do, I'll pay you all cash.
Crazy, right?
Yeah. 10,900, 11,000 coin flip.
Oh, I think
So
you are.
10.95 middle point.
I couldn't because if I wanted to sell them separately, I'd sell the black for 5, and then I'd go over to. I think it was some guy at Loose Packs. They said they give me 6.
We're not too far from it.
Or it was the Asian guy.
Manchester, fortunately. Especially to Connecticut. Manchester, Connecticut's a little.
Do you want to flip middle point 11?
Manchester, New Hampshire will get out too, but at least I was
Like
born in
0,
that crazy
22K?
backyard.
No, nothing crazy. Like literally $100. That's crazy. 16-year-old DJ and you're like half my age, $22,000. No, I ain't got much money like that.
He already has.
I'll do 10,900, 11,100.
I think because I could just take 11,000 from somewhere else, so that's why I want like 11,100.
I'll pay you 11 cash right now.
Please, just give me the extra. It's for a good cause.
I'm sorry.
It's okay, brother.
I didn't mean to hold your hand up on my
You're
case,
interrupting
bro.
my business
It's
transaction.
okay, bro. He's gonna scam you anyways. Scam his ass, please.
All cash. Can we flip 11, 11, 1? So worst case scenario, you get 11. Best case, you get 11, 1. That's fair. Keep both
I
guards.
do 11, 11, 2.
11, 11, 1. Keep your guards. Cash.
I was already gonna keep the guard. Yeah. So like, I'd do whatever flip you want, but 11, 1 middle point.
Questions? Is it this four portal?
You want to see it?
All right, go bring it. Let's do it. 11, 1 point. Let's go. Well, he has the shiny Zard poncho and the black Ray poncho.
Why are you still buying?
I just sold the black poncho for 7. The Zard. He's giving it to me for like 61. Cheapest listing 666.
I'm winning on your coin, dude.
After that, 1K and 5K. After that is 1K and 5K. What's the pop? Pop 93. I have a sequential set and a non-sequential set. That's a nice one.
Just tell me what you want.
Cash 850.
850?
Yeah.
What's the breakdown?
What?
What's the breakdown?
550, 3.
That's way 275.
What do you want to pay for this?
Lower than that? Lower than 450.
I can't. No.
I was buying
3. Flat. Flip 280, 320. You won't.
250, 350.
Oh my God. You won't. 280, 320.
250, 350, cool.
Go for it.
Fine.
0600.
Mr. Milkman.
Card Link wants to flip for the Slow King. 250, 350. I throw you call.
This is your weighted fucking coin.
I throw you call.
It's weighted.
I throw you
It's
call.
weighted, bro.
You
This
call.
shit is weighted.
You call.
Oh, no, use this one. Use this one.
Okay, fuck it. Ready?
Wait, no, wait. Let me flip. You call.
No, you call.
All right.
3, 2, 1. Oh, what the fuck?
Oh, what was that, bro?
3, 2, 1. Goated pulse. 350, baby. All right, you want to flip with this or my coin now?
Oh, we're flipping?
You don't want to flip?
I thought, wait, what flip are you doing?
11-1 middle point you wanted, right? Let me see them. I want the guards.
This was like $200.
Okay, how about this? If I lose the flip, give me the guards.
Nah.
Why not?
This is so expensive.
Well,
This is $200.
this card's like 30 bucks.
All right, that was like 30 bucks. This was $200. I'd rather keep the guards to do 11-1.
Is that actually 200?
Yeah. It's the sunset.
Okay, what if I do 11, 11, 3, flip. I keep guards regardless.
11, 11, 3.
Okay.
No?
I can't. I'd rather just do
Thank you,
11-1.
sir. Thank you, Card Link.
I'd rather just take 11-1.
11, 1. Okay, then flip 11, 11, 2.
You want to flip?
$100. Fun. All cash.
I'll just take 11-1.
11, 1. No flip?
No flip. I'll just take 11-1.
Okay. Damn, I wanted the guards.
I'm sorry. They're expensive. expensive. We get the new one.
Can we do 11-1, 11-3 with the guards? That's an extra $100.
I know, but I probably paid more than I think I paid $150 for that guard.
Okay.
I paid like $30 for that.
That's fine, no worries. What was your name?
Christian.
Christian? All right, Christian is selling me the shiny Poncho Charizard and the shiny Poncho Rayquaza for $11,100. All right, let me start counting my cash. Back to math class. We're in high school. Ready? All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 1K. All right, we're gonna keep counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 2K. This is so unorganized. I'm sorry.
Nah, you're fine.
What is that? 2K so far?
That's okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Count that again. That should be 3K. I think I just used all my cash. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Should be 4K. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5K? Or, yeah, 5K. Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6K. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 7K. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 8K. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How much is that so far?
1, 2, 3, 4,000.
That's another 4. We're at 9K here. That's 9,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 10,000. I'm gonna grab whatever I have left. Hopefully I have enough money. Holy shit. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. 11,100 cash. I think I have literally like $200 left.
I saw a 1 at the bottom of that tag.
What?
$1 bill.
Well, no, I have like more. This is what I have. This is literally all my cash. 20s and 10s and 1s. I have like $250 left.